Hi guys, and today we're going to be doing some Subway Surfers. So yeah, I'm just going to do some Subway Surfers gameplay. So basically, guys, sorry if the quality's a bit bad. I really want to get these jackpots, but like I'm going to be doing some pack openings like later today because there was a jackpot out, it's like 900,000 coins. So yeah, guys, like I say, I'm going to be trying to open some jackpots later today. Let's get a lot of money, a lot of coins. Okay. We get like 1,000 coins in each one, guys, with like mostly using one key. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet while I'm doing this, I'm just like really concentrating. Like, yeah. Happy days, right, there we go. Yeah, I love coin magnets, guys. This is how I get most of my coins. Like, now, I don't actually like the bouncy shoes. Comment what you think about the bouncy shoes because I don't like them. I love when I say that the bouncy shoes just go. Okay. Let's just jump the trains. There we go. Oh yeah, mystery box. We've got a mystery box. We're actually going to open that, guys. We're going to open that after this. After that, we're going to do a run, and then we're going to do one run, open a box. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. It's been busy with stuff. It's been busy with like loads of stuff. But yay, 6,000 points in one run. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. That's achievements to have right there. Like I say, guys, the reason I'm not doing any full pack up today because I've only got like something like 20,000 coins or something like that, guys. So yeah, comment if you want some for some pack openings and all. If you want to do some pack openings, you just comment, guys, and I'll do some pack openings for you guys. Oh yes, get in there. We did some of that. Okay. So let's resume. I'll be doing gameplay, guys, on a lot of games. Yeah, so I'll be doing like a lot of Subway Surfers because eventually jackpots come out like every couple of days a week. So yeah, it's mostly Terrific Tuesday and there's Fabulous Friday. I'm like noob when it goes out like all the time. Oh god, okay. I'll win this. So if you hold it down, open it. Ooh, okay. Oh, tiny UF 499. Oh wow, okay. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and see ya.